So what makes GATE Aerospace exam is very tough exam. Actually, GATE Aerospace exam is not like GATE Mechanical, GATE Aeronaut, GATE Electrical or CE and all. GATE Aerospace is really very challenging and very tough exam. Actually, but what makes it tough? Many of you will be seeing that actually GATE exam is not that tough exam. There was one time when aerospace exam was not that tough exam. Okay, like people used to just simply go and they used to simply qualifying gate exam. I'm not considering that you have the potential to go into IITs, because situation is very different. Even though people are qualifying gate exam, but uh, they are not able to reach into IIT. So of course, if your target is to reach into IIT, you have to secure very good rank, because seats are very less. So I have not mentioned that point. I must mention that point here. Seats, number of seats makes this exam very tough exam. And I have written down all the important points here, and I will talk about this. You can listen this as a podcast properly. See, I will suggest you to keep listening these postcast series when you are about to sleep, or when you are waking up in the morning, or any time. Suppose you are walking, or you are going for some kind of traveling, you are sitting in car, or somehow you have some time of 10-12 minutes. This will be the average duration of this podcast series. I'm going to suggest you whatever things I'm going to discuss here. That is kind of very genuine suggestion, very genuine suggestion. And one more thing, you can also comment in the box of every video, whatever video you are watching. Immediately I will make a very dedicated video on that particular topic. Okay, so guys, and one more thing, if you want to know about me, spend some time on my channel, you will come to know about me properly. I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times, and I am teaching GATE Aerospace aspirants from last 8 plus years. And I have all the full-fledged coaching center for GATE Aerospace exam. I provide everything whatever is required to crack GATE Aerospace exam. Now come to the point. So first thing, of course, the syllabus what is offered for GATE Aerospace exam is not properly defined. For example, if you go through the syllabus, it is written there heat transfer. Okay, then how much heat transfer you have to do, we have no idea. Okay, so I'm just taking one example, and like that we have several examples. But focus one more thing. It's not like this is syllabus given to you, only you. No, it is a universal syllabus for any GATE Aerospace aspirant. Everyone has to suffer the same thing. So this is also a common ground for everyone. It's like, if your pitch is if your play pitch is not good, if your ground is not good, then it is not good for everyone. Okay, if like if road is not smooth, so for all the vehicles road is not smooth. So this point, but of course this point makes sense. Next point is exam pattern. If you follow previous year question paper, every year question paper will be very different. Sometimes it will be like, oh my god, this question paper, and next time, oh my god, this question paper. Like, question paper pattern you cannot judge. So no one can say that in the next coming exam what kind of question paper we can expect. In 202, you will not believe, there was not a single question from aircraft stability and control. And you know what, when I used to teach aircraft stability and control, I used to teach like anything, and people used to follow aircraft stability lectures on NPTEL also by AK Ghosh sir like anything, and they used to mug up every single equation. And when I was teaching aircraft stability, I taught a lot of things about in aircraft stability and control, especially stability and control I'm talking. Okay, not the performance part, because performance part is anyhow used to be very easy. So exam pattern I'm trying to say, it is very unexpected. Like our GATE Aerospace exam is not less than UPSC exam. Okay, so you're you have to be bother about these things in detail. Like, okay, yes man, these are the points and where you have to work on that. Third point, which is very interesting and very important for every student: wrong study material. Why I'm saying wrong study material? Because many people, they have no idea, and they are like, they will sit into library and they will think that, okay, complete the entire Anderson book. Sit in the library, complete entire Ahmad al Sayyid. No, they will sit in the library and they will complete entire every single jet propulsion question. No guys, this is not the right practice. So of course, if students are doing self study, then definitely they'll be doing something like all these things. And but nowadays, because I'm continuously guiding you on YouTube, I am continuously guiding through different sources. So nowadays, of course, I'm putting all my effort to reduce the pressure, like what to study, what not to study on YouTube, free of cost, so that every student, whoever is in my coaching center, definitely they are getting proper guidance. But whoever is not in my coaching center, they are in someone else coaching center, or they are in self study, they all should be benefited. Like last year when the result came, I saw like many people commented on YouTube, and many people commented in WhatsApp that, because almost every GATE aspirant for 2023 and 2024 will be having my contact number, and they have written me on WhatsApp about GATE query or about something. So they used to see my WhatsApp stories also. So I will suggest you to take my phone number also, like 6380135260, and you keep seeing my WhatsApp status as well. Okay. So of course the wrong study material makes the examination very tough. Like if they're asking something else, but you are preparing something else. So who can guide you for the proper preparation? Of course, who have seen this examination very closely, like more than 10 years, more than 12 years I have given to this industry in academics. Now next thing is very important and very dangerous part: wrong suggestions. So who is giving you wrong suggestions? People who have prepared for GATE aerospace exam, and they have qualified or they have not qualified, those type of people or your seniors, sometimes they give you wrong suggestions because they have no idea, just to have some show off, or for anything they will give you wrong suggestions. And because they are your senior, or they are kind of like you respect them, and they are blabbering anything. Okay. So wrong suggestions, many people work under that for 1 year, really, and they gain nothing. So wrong suggestions are playing very important role, so they are very dangerous. But how will you know that you are working under wrong suggestion? When you will not be able to complete, then only you will understand you are working under wrong suggestions. So one very interesting point I want to say here: when we are watching toppers talk on YouTube, like first ranker, 10 ranker, some rankers and all on YouTube, then actually point is, you should not be following their way. You should be following an average student's practice. Okay. You should watch toppers talk simply for the interest purpose. Okay. But actually what happens when people are being topper, they are blabbering anything. I have seen many other topper interviews on different channels. They blabber anything which is totally irrelevant. Because but some people give you genuine ideas, some people definitely give you genuine ideas. But some people, after being topper, they blabber anything. Some people say that they have done complete Radha Krishnan book for gas dynamics, which is totally not worth at all. Okay. So I have, okay, now the next point, your own inputs. See, suppose everything is correct, but your own inputs are wrong. Every day you are not working properly. Few days we are working for 2 hours, few days you are working for 8 hours. This is very dangerous. Maybe you are able to complete your syllabus, but you are not practicing well. Maybe you have not completed your syllabus, but you are trying to practice. Both are wrong. Okay. And like like tonight itself, one student called me and he said, sir, I'm just trying to solve pyqs, msqs, mcqs, and whenever I'm being stuck in any msq, then related topic video I'm watching from your video series. Then I said, what is this? This is totally wrong approach. He's doing in opposite direction. First you complete the syllabus in detail, and after that you go for practice purpose, because you should know what is your syllabus. If like that, how will you prepare? And of course you cannot prepare, because msq, mcqs, you are thinking that they will complete your syllabus. So of course this is a wrong approach. Okay. So next part is, so in your inputs, the very important point is your doubts. Most of the time what happens, people are qualifying GATE exam, but still their doubts are there in their mind. They are not able to solve the doubts. They are not working on it. Like self-study students, mostly it happens. See, because of some what to say, I should not talk on that topic. Many students are having doubts, but they are not able to complete their doubts, but still they are going into IIT. So anyway, I should not talk about this part, but it is true thing. It is true thing. Many self-study students, like their doubts they are not able to complete, but still still they are into IITs, they are going into IITs. And further what will happen, those people will blabber anything on YouTube, that okay, this, do that, do. No guys, no, 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 totally. So you have to be very very safe. Okay. Now next thing, uh, the very important thing is your last 3 hours in exam hall. In the main exam hall, how are you spending your last 3 hours? That plays very important role. you know uh, 2014, this was my first batch. And from 2014 to 2015, we targeted. I was very young that time in this field, so I had few students. And when they started preparing, so I was like, I was not at all that much serious about the result. Like, okay, definitely I'll be getting result. And fortunately, it was very different time, very very different time. 20 I will not talk about that. But point is, in 2014 when I started the first batch, and then I understood, many people, like, I was very young, I was not having complete experience with all the students, but they believed in me. Why they believed? Because the way I was teaching, they liked. And they said, sir, I am only interested to know the topics and concepts, remaining thing you leave on us, but you run the coaching. So under their faith, and under their pressure, that because I was knowing that in Chennai, they started believing on me, because of my own inputs and because of my own practices. So I started this. I mean to say, the last 3 hours will decide. In that batch, so many people, because see, first thing, this 2014 batch, I did not start on right time. Because of that, when I completed the syllabus, we were not having enough time to practice the syllabus. But anyway, they went, the students, they went to the exam hall. And that time I was not charging enough. Like, money was also not that much. Like, that batch was not economically fit, or like, that batch was like simply some students, no sir, we want. Because see, before 2014, I was teaching them subject wise, I was teaching them doubts, I was teaching them whatever doubts, they used to come to my room. Because that time I was not having a complete proper setup and all. They simply used to come to my room in Chennai, and they used to ask the doubts, that this doubt sir, this doubt Viru, this doubt Vikas, this doubt and all. Even seniors used to visit. So slowly. So I mean to say that in 2015, they did lot of mistake. So I'm saying, the last 3 hours is, suppose everything went well, you have my coaching center, you have my suggestions, you have all the notes, whatever is required, you have done enough practice, what we call as a real practice, you have done so many test series, you have done all types of doubt sessions. Now whatever is an ideal preparation, you have gone through that. But finally, in the last 3 hours, you got a panic attack. In the last 3 hours, you are not able to focus well. The last 3 hours went very bad. So that hour is going to decide your final result. Mostly what happens, some students, when will they open the test series, then when will they open computer in the exam hall, then first 15 minutes they will not be able to understand, even though they are a good student, but in first 15 minutes they will not be able to understand how to start, what to start. And like, in first 15 minutes they will waste, most clearly they will waste first 15 minutes, and same thing will happen, they will clearly waste the last 15 minutes as well. So these things I'll be keep on guiding you in this podcast. Like, everything I'll be guiding you. This is day 2 podcast. So from now, every day you'll be having podcast series, and you just have to keep listening this. And definitely feel free, believe me, comment what you want to listen from me. I will make a dedicated podcast on that. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next video.